So, after this long weekend, I want to talk to you about something that caught me off guard. It is how easy it is to judge others, even when we don't mean to. I was visiting a lady recently and she told me she doesn't want to travel to the next town because she feels unsafe. Now, in my world, that's a short trip. I travel to other provinces without thinking twice. And honestly, my first reaction, I thought, really, just get over it. But I caught myself and I became aware of my thoughts because the truth is, we all have our line. We all have something that feels risky, uncomfortable, and even impossible to us. And the more I thought about it, the more I realized this lady is doing things in her life that I'm not willing to do. She's facing challenges, showing up in places, saying yes to responsibilities that I would probably avoid. So, who am I to judge? Her limit, her line looks different than mine. And when we're honest, we all draw the line somewhere, whether it's in the business, in our relationship, our personal growth. Judgment is usually just a lack of perspective. We see one piece or someone else's life and we assume we understand the whole story. Yes, we assume, but we don't know what they are carrying, what they have overcome, or where their fears are rooted. More often than not, the things we judge others are just a mirror, showing us something we haven't yet acknowledged in ourselves. So next time you catch yourself thinking, why don't they just pause? Ask yourself, what's something I avoid that might look easy to that person? Or even, where am I asking for grace in my life and not giving it to others? We all just navigating life with the tools we have. And what feels like courage for one person might feel like survival for someone else. So let's get together and be aware and give each other the benefit of the doubt. And maybe more importantly, let's extend that same grace that we want for ourselves to others. If you want to share something about where you have judged and learned from it, please share it in the comments below. If you find the content valuable, please share it with others as well. And if you've got a question that you want me to answer in the future, please leave it in the comments below.